Hey guys, welcome back to Noel Deasy Cars. My name's Phil and I've got two great Kias for you today. Now on my right we have a plug-in hybrid which comes in the Niro. On my left we have a 1 litre petrol which comes in the K2 Stonic. Now these cars are great for your all day, everyday family run around, and at these great prices they can be yours today. Now what we have here is the 2018 Kia Niro. Now this is a plug-in hybrid and it has an electric range of 50 kilometers. Now this car has a lot of spec. Just to name a few features, obviously you've got your leather interior, you've got the front heated seats, heated steering wheel, you've got an automatic transmission in there as well. Now this one is a 201 Kia Stonic. It's a 1 litre petrol and a great run around. Now this car has great looks to match, and as you can see you've got your 16-inch alloys which give it that great staunch look. Now just to name a few features, you have the sunroof at the top as you can see, you've got the sporty look design with the half leather interior, you've got the orange trim which surrounds the dash, and you've got the sport steering wheel as well. So with the Niro at a mere 20,950 euros and with the Stonic at a mere 19,950, these cars are a great steal. Get in contact with me today on 021 439 5024 or pop onto our website at Noel Deasy Cars. Come and get your Kia today.